Hey guys, what is going on? So today for this video we're installing these LED pods. So these LED lights I got from Zmoon on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below, and I plan on putting them right here. And to put them here we're gonna have to make a bracket, so let's see what we can come up with. So I have this piece of angle iron here, and my plan is putting it underneath the license plate so it'll bolt up to the license plate, cutting off like the center piece, so it'll be sitting like this. That way it's kind of hidden, you don't see it, and it's just the lights there. Let's see what I can do with this, and hopefully it comes out looking good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is measure the light itself. That's about 4 inches. I want a little bit of play, so I'm gonna say about 4 inches. For the plate, we're about 1 foot. So I'm gonna do 13 inches, that way I have some space between the plate and the lights. So it'll be like that. So with the 2 lights, it'll be 8 inches, and with the plate, it'll be 13. So total, it'll be 21 inches long. That's the size of the piece that I'm cutting. All right, so we're gonna measure the 21 inches. That's gonna be our cut line. That's marked. Let's get to cutting. Something like that. Should I even bother cutting this down here? That looks pretty sick with the light. So here is the bracket. I still need to make the holes on it, but for the most part, it's exactly what I wanted. It's gonna be something like that. So it's kind of hidden. You only see the sides, but that's where the pods will be, and I'm gonna paint it black. So yeah, I did have to put a bend. I don't know if you can see that, because it was touching with the pods where I want to make the hole. So I put a little bend in it. Next step is to make the holes, but I don't have my drill with me, so I'm gonna have to do that at home. I was able to make all the edges round, and I think it looks pretty clean like that. So yeah, next step, holes. So here I have the bracket. I kind of eyeballed what looked to be the middle of the license plate, so I marked it already there and there, and then I marked some holes there on the top where the lights will go. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill this, and hopefully it fits. And the way I'm gonna drill this is, I got this clamp here. I'm gonna clamp it down to this wood, and then that way this doesn't move. So I got the Harbor Freight special drill bits. These should be good for this project, and that's about it. Okay, so all the holes are drilled. I just need to clean all the oil off. But so I used these 4 right here. So I started with that, and then I moved up to a quarter hole. As you can see, this is what I meant by it'll last one project. These started coming off. I don't know. The Harbor Freight, you can't complain for $6.99 though. So yeah. Okay, so I took off the plate because I wasn't sure if I could stick a screw in there, but I guess you can. These top ones are, I think these the same as the bottom ones. It's just that the top are worn out. So the screw does go in, so that's all good. For now, I'm gonna use these screws because that's what's on here. I need to go pick up some new ones, some that are a lot cleaner than that. So I'll get all 4 once I do get those, but for now I'm just gonna put the bottom on with the bracket just to see how it looks, give it a test fit. Okay, so the bracket is on. I can't put the lights on because I drilled the hole too small, so I'm gonna make that bigger, but yeah, it's coming out good. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's not mounted hard or anything, it's just all loose on there for now. I still gotta do the wiring, but that'll be for the next video. But here you can see how it looks. This bracket, it is a little bit too small, so I might have to put a bushing behind the bracket just to bring it out just a little bit. That way I can have more adjustability for the lights. But overall, this is exactly what I wanted, you know, something simple, nothing too flashy, you know, something small where you can barely see it. So yeah, not bad. I really do like it. So the next thing that I have to do is take off the bracket again, paint the bracket itself. I don't have any spray paint. I thought I did, but paint that, run the wires. So the wires, I'm gonna try to make it hidden somehow. Run it through here and in through this, and I'm trying to get the 12 volts from here, from this outlet. and then I'll run the switch up to the driver's seat around that area. I don't know where yet, but I want to find a place where it doesn't look out of the ordinary. So yeah, power from there, and yeah, we should be good. But that'll be for the next video, so keep an eye out for that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.